Good evening, everybody, and welcome to our open house. Welcome to Automotive Engineering and Fabrication class. Just a couple of things I'd like to get out of the way. Below, you should be able to see over there, maybe, or there, my email address. It's jengelhardt, at lths.net. That is the preferred email to be sent. If you see another email at d204.lths.net, please do not send an email to that. Please send it to just at lths.net. Thank you so much for being here tonight. I know I've said that, but there's a lot of places that you can be, and I know that your time is valuable, and I greatly appreciate you spending a few minutes of your evening tonight with me. My background, a little bit about me. I went to Fremd High School in Palatine, Illinois. I went to junior college at College of Lake County, and I got an associate's degree in automotive technology. I transferred to Southern Illinois University in Carbondale and got a bachelor's degree in automotive technology and business management, as well as a educational degree in technical education. So I went on to get a master's at Aurora University for curriculum and instruction, and I've taught at Glenbard North for 1 year and Lyons Township High School. This is my 11th year of teaching. It's been an awesome experience, and I've really enjoyed working with the people here and all of the great students. So looking forward to this year and spending time with your child. AAC certifications, that's kind of like passing the bar exam for lawyers. I do have multiple AAC certifications, and your child will actually have the opportunity to take some of those in my class in auto service and diagnostics during their senior year. Course objectives. So for automotive engineering and fabrication, this course focuses on the research, design, and the fabrication aspects of the automotive industry and within the fabrication industry. Students are going to be designing, engineering, and then building and actually fabricating their projects. They're going to learn skills like MIG welding, TIG welding, sheet metal fabrication, utilizing a box pan brake, utilizing a bead roller, utilizing a shrinker, a stretcher, an English wheel, all sorts of really cool, unique tools that they will get to work with. The only limit to this course is their imagination. Genuinely, you can create and build and fabricate anything that they put their mind to. The course can earn dual credit through Triton College as well. That's kind of an extra additive. So if they are interested in that, have your child reach out to me, and we can get that taken care of. Remote learning changes. Obviously, this course is a lab-based course, and I want to explain some of the things that we've done differently this year to meet the requirements of the class, but also be safe and do it so in a remote setting. This year, we have really focused in on our CAD CAM software. Your child has probably already downloaded, maybe even struggled with the downloading of this software, but I believe everyone now has the software downloaded. And we are now creating some really cool projects that we're going to be cut out on our CNC plasma cutter that you can see in the photo below. The CNC plasma cutter is an amazing piece of machinery, and I plan to actually cut out students' projects that they design, and then they can come and pick them up, seen in the second bullet point. Online testing is still in place like every other class, and synchronous Zoom meetings are also in place. I get students into individual breakout rooms for designing, and also give them tech tips and pointers throughout the class. And students have the opportunity to ask me individual questions, ask me to come into their individual room and to work together with them to refine their individual projects and ideas. Once the hybrid model picks back up, we will be going back into the lab and then integrating all of those designs that have been made throughout the class. So quite a fun experience that they will get to have, I think, not only at home, but also when we get to return and actually put hands on all of these tools. How can your child get involved otherwise? First things first, I always encourage my students to have their camera and audio on at all times when possible. I do understand that there are circumstances that maybe students don't feel comfortable, or there's other various things occurring in the household at the same time. So while I am completely understanding of all of those things, if possible, to be able to keep the camera on and audio on, so that we can connect on a level that closely and as closely resembles the classroom experience. Not only is that beneficial to me, but also to your child. Showing up on time to class and prepared is also extremely important. Asking questions in class and participating regularly will all help your child get involved. Other possibilities for involvement for after school activities and clubs are as follows. Normally, we have a very extensive auto club that meets in person at the auto shop. However, we will be meeting online for the first time on September 9th via a Zoom meeting. More details to follow. We also have a pinball club that meets in the corral. We have 4 pinball machines there. And normally we would be meeting in the corral, but now we will be meeting on September 15th again on a Zoom call. Esports Club, again, also normally meets over at South Campus, and we will be starting that on September 8th. I'm actually the head sponsor of Auto Club, head sponsor of Pinball Club, and the co-sponsor with Mr. Nabasny is the head sponsor of Esports Club. So if your child is into gaming, console gaming, or PC gaming, this is a great place for them. Lastly, I'll go ahead and say that we have internship opportunities. While this is not for all 120 of my students, I only have space for usually 3 to 5 students each semester to get a paid and or unpaid internship at Continental Toyota and Continental Mitsubishi. There'll be more information to follow this. I always give students the opportunity to interview for the positions. And again, I will have more information about this as it comes closer. Typically, it's around Christmas break and then spring break. That's it. That's all that I have for you. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. Again, my name is Mr. Engelhardt. Thanks for spending your time with me.